Number 12, it says change each radian measure to degree measure. So number 12 has 3 pi over 2. So what we're going to do to change it to degrees is I got to get rid of that pi right there. So I got to think, what fraction is an equivalent with degrees and radians? Well, we know 180 degrees is the same as pi radians. The reason we know that is in that unit circle with a radius of 1, if you open up 180 degrees, you've opened up halfway across the circle. There's 180 degrees. Well, if we want to talk radians, which is the distance around this circle, you and I know that the circumference of a circle is pi times the diameter. Well, if you have a radius of 1 here and 1 here, that means the diameter is 2. So the distance all the way across is 2 pi. You've traveled 2 pi if you go all the way around. Well, if I only go halfway, that means this 180 degrees is exactly the same as pi. So I know pi and 180 are equal to one another. Now if I got to get rid of pi and I got to get the answer in degrees, it makes sense that the 180 degrees goes on top and the pi is going to go on the bottom. Now the pi and the pi will cancel. You hear 180 and 2. I'm going to go ahead and cancel that. Both can be divided by 2. 2 becomes a 1. That becomes 90. So now I just have the answer of 3 times 90, 270 degrees. So if you go 3 pi over 2, which is 1.5 pi, which means you've gone here a whole pi and then another half pi, you've gone to right here, you've basically gone 270 degrees. That's why 3 pi over 2 in radians is the same as 270 degrees when we put it into degree form. Problem number 12.